If the hijab should be banned, so should tilak, tikas, and turbans, right? Now, a student in Kerala wore a hijab to school earlier this month, and just like that, the hijab debate is back. But here's the real question: what is the rule in India? Honestly, we still don't really know. Now, in 2022, when this issue became a big thing and reached the Supreme Court from Karnataka, well, even the judges couldn't agree. One judge said allowing hijab could create inequality among students. The other said it's simply a matter of choice. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, when a court bench is split like that, the case goes to a larger bench to break the tie. But the court has not even heard this case once since 2022, which means there's still no clear rule on what's allowed and what's not. I mean, I would also be in a fix if I had to decide. There was a time not long ago when this wasn't even a conversation, where a tika, a turban, or a hijab was viewed as someone enforcing or doubling down on their identity. But now it's happening a lot more often, and every time this happens, it reminds us that schools are walking a really thin line. They have to maintain discipline and respect personal rights. It's a constant balance between rules and faith, and order and freedom. And it's not just about the hijab, right? What about bindis, tilaks, Sikh turbans, the vibhuti tika, and other cultural or religious symbols? Should schools allow them? Or should uniforms be completely neutral? What do you think?